Hey guys, now I thought about tell you about this. This is I've just put a blog up about this, and I'm going to put a video about it, doing a review on this Klippyo Kreators. It's actually very popular, especially if you've like me, you've got a blog and you just want to do some quick videos and pretty much every day, and you haven't got the time. Or put ads, say you've got a drop shipping, or you've got a website and you're selling products and you want to advertise your products, you want to do something like, put videos up every day. You can't go much further than Klippyo Kreators. I'll just run through this. See, need professional videos made every day for your Facebook advertising. Klippyo Kreators could be what you need. Check it out for yourself here. Klippyo Kreators, all the videos your business will ever need. Make Klippyo your forever tool with unlimited downloads from over 300,000 stunning audio, image and video assets, including full-length Klippyo creations, hundreds of exclusive ready-to-go templates, new extended video renders and much more. Now, no doubt, they, what they're about is speed and time. A lot of people haven't got time. Everyone's busy these days. So this is what you'll see once you'll if you go onto their website, if you sign up with them. You will have 80 downloadable assets and 10 done-for-you video projects ready and waiting to kickstart your next video project, okay? Now, another thing you can do with this, you can create your own video with using, using Klippyo, right? And you can sell it back to Klippyo Creations, if you want to do that. Of course, it's customizable. You can make your own videos if you've got the time, and then, like I say, you can sell them back to Klippyo. But there's an ad feature we didn't tell you about. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're making videos for yourself or your clients. Yeah, so if you want to do another awesome thing you could do with this is go on to websites like People Per Hour, like Fiverr, and create little videos and then sell them to people that need their little videos. So it's pretty much endless what you can do here. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you're making videos yourself, be perfect. Sometimes you're fighting against time, sometimes you're fighting a creative block. But sometimes you're fighting against yourself because you don't want to have to make another video from scratch. 80 assets. You can't rush the process because mediocre videos won't get you anywhere. So this software is perfect for dashing off professional looking videos. Like I say, once you've got this, you can just put an advertisement on websites like People Per Hour, Freelancer, I think Freelancer, definitely Fiverr, sell your services, make professional looking videos every day, easily. Yeah, you can't rush the process because So what do you do? The answer is nothing. But you can't stop producing videos because that's your business, right? So what do? Nothing. We've done it all for you. You've got the access to the ultimate resource for people who don't have time to be constantly creative. The world already has too many videos nobody watches. You don't need to add to them. Which is why we created Klippyo Creations. It's for all Klippyo users and perfect people who don't have time to create unique videos all day, every day. But plus, I'll let you shortcut your way into having professional edited videos. It takes most people years to learn tricks for. 100 unique Klippyo creations. Enter the Klippyo marketplace and you'll find hundreds of ready-made video projects in a huge range of niches built by approved Klippyo creators. Quality controlled designs. You never have to worry about quality because every video in the creator marketplace must be green lighted by Klippyo Klippyo Creator approvals team before it makes it to the marketplace. Full-length sequences. These videos are just short clips. You pay a fortune for. If you get anybody to make a clip for you, it's going to cost you a lot of money. Growing collection. Excuse me. There is already 100 plus Klippyo creations for you to choose from, and any time you need a surefire winner. But to make sure you're always publishing fresh videos, unmatched in style, we're adding hundreds more Klippyos each month. The Klippyo marketplace is going to be an enormous resource for you, and it's going to make your life a lot easier by making video creation almost instant. For a very limited time, you can become a Klippyo creator and get unlimited access to the creator marketplace and enjoy unlimited downloads from over 300,000 premium video assets. Unlimited access means every single video sequence in the Klippyo marketplace will be made available to you to use in your business as many times as you like. That's pretty amazing. Unlimited downloads means the 80 download limit is a thing of the past. Take as many assets as you need, as often as you like. So basically, you won't have access just to 80 or 100. You will have access to over 300,000 premium video assets. Okay. All you have to bring is the passion, and we'll bring the rest. Short on time and need a kick-ass video right now? You'll have it yesterday. Need to hit a home run without burning through your hard-earned cash? Easy. Try one video or 100 and see what brings you the best results. Running video ads, keep your overheads rock bottom, so like, Facebook, whatever, ads, etc., creating them for clients, etc. Build a team or hire an assistant and give them complete creative control. Making videos for clients and much more. For a limited time, Klippyo Kreators gives you unlimited access to a whole lot more. 100 ready-made creations with more being added constantly. There are already 100 waiting for you. These full-length video sequences are ready to pick and use. Massive store of grade A video, image, and audio assets. So audio as well, guys. There are currently over 300,000 high-quality videos, images, and premium audio tracks to choose from, and the library is growing bigger every month. Your video assets are refreshed every month. We're not adding 20-30, we're growing your library with thousands of extra image and video resources each month. Run out of stock, make a video that looks like another, produce a video that you're not convinced is your best video ever. New intros and outros every month. Extended videos. With power in your business, you can increase the length of your videos. This allows you to create full-length VSLs, which featureless mini documentaries and just about anything a business will need to remain solidly at the top of the pile for years to come. Always on demand. Klippyo doesn't close, it's always there, ready to annihilate creative blocks in a flash, and always ready to help you create the best possible video for any format, in any format. Always premium, the fastest, easiest way to take the stress and anxiety of delivering the kind of video people want to watch on their with a bag of popcorn and a gallon of Coke. Always royalty free. Your Klippyo creations are yours to keep, so you don't have to pay Klippyo. Once you've created them, you don't have to pay them in it. Plus, exclusive to Klippyo creators, you can sell your templates to other Klippyo users and even back to them. Like I said, you can sell the creations you make, giving you the access to the huge inbuilt audience of Klippyo users. All you need to do is build your creation and submit it to the marketplace. If it's approved, we'll pay you for it, and you'll even get paid every time someone purchases it for use. Wow. So if you are like creative guys, this seems like the perfect thing. So you create a video and then you put it up on the Klippyo creation marketplace, and then people buy that. If it's good. And who's to say what's good? It's subjective. This is a new now or never offer for new Klippyo members only. This is a new offer. I'll let you read through that. That's it. This one-time opportunity can be what can be whatever you need it to be. It's only been made to you because you've made an inspired decision to invest in Klippyo already. So it really is now or never. Once the count time has... So guys, this is usually $97 a month for 50 downloads, okay? You'll get unlimited access and unlimited downloads for $47 a month. Now, if you drop shipping or you've got your ads up on Fiverr and those other service-oriented sites, you're going to make probably $47 in your first sale. You know, so that's peanuts. That's a lifetime of downloads for as long as you stay a member for less than half the price. It's unlimited, curated full-length sequences, and you'll get all that for just $47 a month, but only if you quit. So there you go, guys. Unlimited access to the Creator Marketplace, and you can make some and put them on the Marketplace, and then people use them. You'll probably get paid for that too. If it's accepted, unlimited downloads from over 300,000 premium videos. It's thousands of new assets each month. 5 new intros and outros every month. Normally $97, only $47. Klippyo Kreators might not be for you. You might want to go it alone, and you might relish the challenge, the stress, the niggling fear that you've not got enough of the extra expenses, and the constant feeling that you're running out of time because you can't produce a new video fast enough, and that's fun. Many opportunities operate exceptionally well under those conditions. Some people need it, but those people don't know how. How good being a Klippyo creator feels. At $47 a month, remove all the stress, and you can basically get on with the business, and you know, get on with you know, whatever you're into. But if you're you know, if you're into, I would say a lot of people who actually buy Klippyo Kreators are creators themselves, obviously, and you know, creative types, and want to create as many videos and that as possible, get them out there as fast as possible, professional ones, and here you can do it for $47 a month. And you know, well, really, for $47 a month, that's letting you being self-employed, really. Once you pay that $47 a month, you're basically, that's what you're paying to be self-employed. Only $47. Disclaimer. There you go, guys.